गुड मॉर्निंग प्यारे बच्चों। In last session we have discussed about division practice, and after that we have done verification also, that how we can verify that our answer is correct or not. Today we are going to do the last topic of this chapter, that is international number system. Clear? Indian number system we have done earlier, I think before a long ago we have done that topic. Today it is the last topic of this unit. After that this first unit will be complete, and this is the international number system. International number system means it is the number system in which all the quantities are measured internationally. Means out of India we are using this type of number system. If we have to pay money, if we have to borrow something, if we have to purchase, then all the things we will do according to this number system. Clear? We will not say that we need 8 lakhs 20,000, nothing like that we can say. We will use only in this form. Clear? Millions, thousand, ones, like this we have periods. So come to the first topic, that is periods of this international number system. As you know, in our Indian number system also we have some periods. In this number system also we have periods, but name of the periods are little bit different in international number system. Clear? So in international number system, same this ones period, it is same as in our Indian number system. Thousand period, it is different in international number system. In our Indian number system we had thousand, means 1000, 10,000. Up to this it is same, but after this 10,000, according to Indian number system, we had, after this 10,000 we had lakh, 10 lakh. Clear? Like this. But here it is not like this. Here it is very simple, very easy, much easier than our Indian number system. This is very easy concept, you will learn very well. Ones, tens, 100. It is clear? Okay, then once period is over. It is very clear, every period has 3 places. Clear? Digits are going to increase step to step, but places in every period it is quite fixed. 3 periods. Clear? 3 places, sorry. So first period is ones period. It carry ones, tens, 100. Clear? Second one is thousands period. It carry 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Clear? This is a new term for you, a new thing in this system. So keep in mind that after 1000, 10,000, it will be 100,000 also. Clear? This 100 will be used in every period. So this is the only difference in this. After this 1000 period we will reach to millions period. Here it is no lakhs, crore, nothing like that. It is ones period, thousand period, then millions period. And millions period also same, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, like this. So I think it is easy for you, much easy than your Indian number system. I am repeating it again. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. You have to learn up to this 100 million. In this 5th class it is sufficient for you. When you will approaches in higher classes, then you will learn about billion, trillion, like this. Clear? But the process is same. You will follow the same pattern in higher classes also. So I am repeating again. Ones, tens, 100. These 3 places are in ones period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These 3 are in 1000 period. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. These are in millions period. Quite simple. Number of digit will be 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. In every step 1 digit will be increased. Okay, now place value. This is also very important. Once everybody know, if you have learned Indian number system, then it is quite easy for you. 1 has same, 10 as it is, 100 as it is, 1000 and 10,000. Up to this it is same as we have learned in our Indian number system. After this 10,000, 100,000, again it is same, put one extra zero after 10,000, it will become 100,000. Then 1 million, put one extra zero, means number of zero will be 6 zero. In ones, no zero. In 10, 1 zero. In 100, 2 zero. 1,000, 3 zero. 10,000, 4 zero. 100,000, 5 zero. Million, 6 zero. 10 million, 7 zero. 100 million, 8 zero. Clear? So it is quite easy. I think you can learn it very well. Now how we have to read and write these numbers. Clear? So this is the first property for you, a statement for you which you have to keep in your mind whenever you have to read such type of number and write such type of numbers. Write number using comma after each 3 digit from right hand side. Clear? Whenever we have to use our Indian number system, then we used that we place comma after 3 digit from right hand side. After that we use comma on every 2 digit. क्लियर? याद होगा आपको, पहले 3 के बाद, ठीक है, मीन्स 1, 10, 100, इसके बाद एक कोमा, उसके बाद 1000, 10,000 के बाद एक कोमा होता था, उसके बाद फिर लाख, 10 लाख के बाद एक कोमा होता था. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे जैसा आपको ऊपर पीरियड में दिखाया गया है, इन 3 के बाद, इन 3 के बाद, इन 3 के बाद, ऐसे ही आपको कोमा प्लेस करना है. ठीक है? जैसे कि मैं कोई नंबर लिखूं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग इट okay, this is our number. Clear? So where we have to keep commas, this ones period carry 3 places, ones, tens, 100, so we will keep 1 comma here. Clear? Then next period is 1000 period, it carry 1000, 10,000, 100,000, so 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After that we will keep 1 comma like this. Clear? Means we will keep comma in an interval of 3 digit. Is it clear to you? I am repeating it again. Don't get confused with the Indian number system. It is quite different and very easy. Comma after 3 digit from the right hand side, ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. If any more digit is present in the number, then again next, then comma. Means after each 3 digit we will place comma. Clear? And we will start putting comma from right hand side, means from the ones place. Clear? So it is quite easy. We will do a lot of more example about this. Okay, next, how to read such type of number. So reading number is quite easy. You have to read according to their periods. Clear? For example, this is a number. I have placed comma already. You know, you can check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma. Means after 3 digit I am starting to put comma. Same you have to do. Clear? Now how we will read it? This is ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and this is million. Clear? So we'll read like this, means one portion of commas we will read combinedly. Clear? So this 6 is separate. Okay, it is after this comma. So after this comma we have only 6 and its period is million, so we will write 6 million. Up to this place it is clear, 6 million. Then what is this number? 127. What will you say it? Combinedly you have to speak this number. 127. ऐसा ही बोलेंगे ना हम इसको. जब आपको combinedly 127 दिख रहा है तो आप इसको 127 को क्या पढ़ेंगे? 127. So read it like 127. और ये कौन से पीरियड से बिलोंग करता है? ये वंस पीरियड से था. ये कौन से पीरियड से था? थाउजेंड्स पीरियड से. और ये मिलियन पीरियड से. तो इस कंबाइन के पीछे क्या वर्ड जोड़ेंगे हम? 1000. इसके पीछे हमने क्या जोड़ा? मिलियन. क्लियर, इसके पीछे कुछ भी जोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि इसके पीछे कुछ है नहीं, वंस पीरियड है। तो इसके पीछे 6 के बाद हमने क्या लगाया, मिलियन, 6 मिलियन। 127 पीरियड का नाम क्या है, थाउजेंड, सो 127 थाउजेंड्स। क्लियर, देन ये क्या है, 432 को क्या पढ़ा जाएगा, 432 वंस, नो नीड ऑफ राइट, क्लियर, नो नीड टू राइट एनी नेम after this ones period. So it is clear to you. Okay, now we are going to do some more practice about this writing and reading of number system. Okay, here you can see, you will also do like this in your fair notebook, means you have to already make a table like this. Clear? So first we will do a practice of numeral to name as we have done recently. So this is a numeral value, any number you can use, 3 4 1 2 9 5 6. Clear? First of all use commas, where you have to keep comma, 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma, like this you will keep comma. So this is the proper notation, proper way to write a number according to international number system. Clear? So it is quite easy, very clear by these commas. 956, this is belong to which period, ones period. Next, these three belongs to thousand period. Next digit belong to millions period. Clear? Now we will read according to, this is the table, it can help you, so keep the number in this table. 956 to belong to ones period, so write this 956 directly here, 956. Then in thousands period, 412. Clear? In millions period it is only 3. So now read it. This first you have to read this numeral value, put the name of period. Numeral value, put the name of period. Numeral value, put the name of period. No need to put any name because it is ones period. Clear? So 3 name of the period is millions. So क्या होगा इसका नाम, 3 million. Clear? After this, what is this number, 412. तो ये क्या होगा, 412 और इसके पीछे इसका पीरियड का नाम, इस पीरियड का नाम क्या है, थाउजेंड, तो क्या लिखेंगे, 412 thousands. Clear? After that, what is the last period, ones period, no need to put any name, but you have to write this number, 956. What is this, 956. 956. Clear? Like this you have to write the name of this number. Clear? I think very easy. Okay, after this, one more example. This is 4 2 1 6 5 2 3 1, like this. So first of all keep the commas, 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. Clear? Put this number in these periods. 231 belongs to ones period, 165 belongs to thousand period, 42 belongs to millions period. So keep the number like this, 231 165 and 42. Clear? So it is easy, 42 million, 42 million. Okay, after this 165, you can read it very well because You have learned Indian number system, so it is same 165. After that, put the name of this period. Means 165. 165 and name of period is 1000. 165,000. Clear? After that 231. What is 231 means? 231. So 231. It is clear? Like this we will solve the questions. Clear? I think you can solve very well. Okay, so this is enough for today. You have to do your homework, and in your homework it is better that you will prepare a table like this, and then you will perform, you will write the name of the number, means numeral to name. Clear? So I am not increasing this material anymore. I am just giving you homework. You have to follow the homework. Clear? Means numeral to name. You have to write numeral to name. First question 1 2 4 5 6 7 like this. Second question 6 2 3 1 9 2 4. Second question, you will keep commas also. I will not put any comma. You will do this all work. Next is 4 3 9 6 7 4, and this is the last one 7 2 9 1 6 3 2. These are 4 numbers. You have to write these 4 numbers according to our international number system. Clear? So this is your homework for today. You have to perform this homework. Clear? I will post pictures of this classwork as well as your homework. You have to do this homework, and this material you will find in, definitely if you are able to see this video, then definitely you can see it in new classroom, and in every day you have to follow this new classroom. Clear? Don't use your old email ID for any purpose according to your classroom. Okay, thank you very much.